It's finally happening. We are building our dream workshop. We are a couple who love to create and build. We used to work from our tiny balcony, where we learned carpentry and how to use different tools. We've done many projects here, but now we've decided to upgrade our workspace. So here is our workshop. If you remember our previous workspace, it's not comparable to our tiny balcony. After moving our tools here, the first thing my husband bought and installed were two fans because we live in a hot and humid climate. Next, we are going to build and install some walls. These two walls will separate this space, and it's going to become our office and a place to relax. We are also going to build another wall here to separate our workshop, and this door will be installed here as the entrance. This will be our main workspace, and over here we're going to build shelves and work tables for all our tools. One of the reasons we chose this place for the main workspace is that it's close to this back door, which opens to the back street. Since our workshop is on the first floor, we'll need a hoist. In future, we plan to install one here to lift materials and furniture up and down. There's still so much to do, so make sure to follow our page and join us for all upcoming updates.